Miracle with another jump. Miracle jumped this one. One of my dogs got separated. My dog SJ. Trying to see if he gonna come to him. I done toned him and everything. We might get to see this rabbit here, y'all. Ain't got my gun. I'm gonna shoot over that pup again, cause he with him this time. I ain't heard my old male though. I think these young dogs just too fast. Old male right here. They too fast for him. They too fast for him. That's a rabbit though. See, Mike kind of sound like SJ too. Yeah, that's Mike. SJ got that big mouth. I don't know, sound like SJ in there. Yeah, SJ in there. He in that wood. So Mike got a chop. That's SJ. See that? Mike and Ladybug got about the same amount. Hope there's him in there anyway. It could be Mike though. Pretty sure he in there though. They're running them, y'all. If he ain't, Mike's voice done changed. If SJ ain't in no war. If he ain't in no wood, they sound like it. And brother sound like him. I couldn't tell. That puppy stand with him though. Let's see if that rabbit gonna come back across that road. That's SJ. Taking him back across that ball. Old man right here, they too fast for him. They too fast for him. See which way they gonna go. Old man might go in there and jump his own rabbit. That sound like my boy now. He going back down this way. Get to him, old man. They too fast for him. They too fast for him. He would have to jump that rabbit. That's Mike there. There's some old Buckshot John. Buckshot John Brinko puppies. Let's see if they sound like they coming back across here. See if we can get a shot of the rabbit. See if we can get a shot of it. I'm looking for one now. They puppy barking. My puppy barking, y'all. My puppy in there barking. My puppy barking. He sure barking. He sure live. That's their puppy. First day out. Let's see where this rabbit went. He went in the hole, probably. Here go, 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 here go. Here go, here go, here go, here go, here go, here go. They got him back, girl. And got hot. Here go, here go, here go, here go, here go. I ain't got no water with me. That puppy in that bark. Let's go, 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 let's go. Here you go, 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 here you go. Come on, Blessing. Come on, Butterfly. Come on, SJ. Come on, little Bill. Here you go, 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 here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Come on, Blessing. Come on, SJ. Come on, little Bill. Here you go, 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 here you go. I think that rabbit holed up on him, y'all. But with this Mac on kennel, y'all, I'm waiting on him. Come back here, Ladybug. Come here, SJ. Come here, little Bill. Come here, Blessing. Malcolm Kennel done had an excellent run today. He done had an excellent run. If they jump or nothing before I get to the truck, hey, that is what it is. Here you go, 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 here you go. I don't want to run them. Starting to warm up now. And I ain't got no water with me, so. Come in here, come in here, come in here, come in here. Come in here, come in here. Come in here, come in here, come in here. He's still trying to find that rabbit. He's still trying to find that rabbit, y'all. SJ. MJ and them, they got the same one. So they gonna have about the same speed. Come here, SJ. Hey, go.